For Objection, back again with the news as we always promised. Wait, something itch me here. Oh, I can handle. Okay, today we're talking about this Tefal. This is blender. Okay. What's the cool thing about this Tefal? That it's small size and it's 800 watts, which is mean enough for a lot of things. And price is like, guys, it's like $25. Can you imagine? It's so cheap. And by the way, it's original Tefal. Okay, let's do unboxing and show how it looks like from inside. Everything. We have here this is the meter. It's for, you know why you need this blender. I will show you. This is, you can do as they show you here. See, soup. You can twist, make soup. Even you can twist chicken with her like this. You got me? You see here, it's sharp, looks sharp, and nice material. Listen, I found brown. I was going to buy brown, even more cheap, like $25. But the reason that I didn't buy brown because it's more weak, 600 watts. Actually, 600 watts is not enough for what I want to do. You know, sometimes I'm gonna twist chicken. You got me, but sure without bones. Some people may think that you have to twist with bone. Here we have the blender for itself. Let's do. Here is Tefal. It's like almost 1 kilo size. You got me? Why it's cool here? Because you will connect this like this. Wait. Okay. And now we start to use it. We will try it now. Let's get rid of this carton. Okay. What we have else? Wow, I didn't expect this even. You know, guys, when I go buy it, I didn't have time at all. So actually, I didn't know that I have even blender here. See, it's 500 milli size. Wow, this is nice. Honestly, for $25, this is so enough. Oh, it hurts. See, we have here user manual. Actually, I don't need it. I know how to work with it because I have Mykolaivska 6-in-1 and I have push 6-in-1. And that's all in box. We have this cup. This cup, it's 25 O's. 25 O's. It's by American. Actually, I forget how much. 25 O's. I don't know. This is let's see. Okay. I want to tell you about something. This Tefal is power wheel. Power wheel. See? Look here. They show you which kind of food that you can do with her. With it, sorry. Which is mean it's not it's not everything, because some people they may think that this is, you can twist. Here they show you that it's easy to wash. Here you can twist like beans, soup. Even they not show chicken, but I always have like this brown 600 watt, and I was twisting with her chicken here in this one. Guys, you know, when I go buy this device, I didn't even know that this have cup, and I can do chicken here. For example, I can put small pieces of chicken without bones. I can twist them quickly. You know, if I want to go quick, if I want to cook, do a quick meal, and for example, I don't have time. I want to do burger. I want one piece of chicken. I will twist it here. I want to do burger or sheep or whatever. Sorry for vegans. I'm not vegan. Okay, so it's not work with me. Anyway, so if I want to twist here something, meat or like this, I can put some 2-3 pieces. I can twist them. It's gonna twist. You have to know that. We'll try it now. We'll see. Where is made from, by the way? It's made in China, but they say they're manufactured in Latvia. Listen to me. Let me tell you something. Here, by the way, if you want to order it, you can see Tefal Optichef. 30% faster performance. Listen to me. I want to tell you something. If you wanna twist something heavy, like for example you have old meat, I prefer to not do. Don't press on her too much because this is not professional one. This is just for quick stuff, you got me? If you want to do smoothie, you want to do here banana with milk, you want to twist banana, you want to do soup, you have soup and you want to, for example, you make beans and you want to twist beans, you can twist beans with this, or you did soup, like Turkish soup, you know, this, and you want to make it so it's it's for this, but it's not for something extra heavy or something. For example, meat for cow or something, and it's heavy. Okay. Let's do number 10. See, here you have number 1, 2, you have number 10 here. Okay, look. And there's turbo bottom here. Wow. Let's press them both. Let's do. I will screw her up today. Okay. You know, this is stainless steel, you know. No, actually it looks so sharp and it looks so strong. Look. Actually, it's nice. To be honest with you guys. Yeah, it's good. Here they write Tefal 800 watt, made in China, 220, 250 volt, 50 to 60 hertz. Really, it's good. Here, let me try. Just like this. It's really nice. Listen, I can't believe for $25 I bought Tefal, and I can do with her a lot of nice things. You got me? Listen to me. The multi 6-in-1, this multi blender. Sometimes, listen to me. I don't want to wash all this dish and wash this blender and wash for half hour. I'm washing stuff for just making one breast of chicken, or I want to do a small piece of meat or a small piece of sheep, lamb meat. I want to twist it here fast. I want to do one burger meal. I want to cook it fast. I don't need to do it in all this one. I have it here in my kitchen, but it's gonna take a lot of washing. You got me? This one here, it doesn't need. I will wash this from down, wash quickly, or wash this one. That's it. You got me? That's why I need to have two of them. Listen to me. There is brand called Saturn, and there is Homer, and there is I don't know what. Guys, listen to me. My advice to you: don't buy brands that is not famous. You got me? They say Jewish pay twice. He paid first time for the sucks thing, then he paid second time for the nice thing. No, why don't you from the beginning choose something nice like this? You got me? Her name is Boali. Okay, this Tefal. Listen, I found Bosch. Looks so nice. I found Mykolaivska. I found this Tefal. And there is a lot of different prices between 25 until $80. Okay. I found Brown. I like it also. Looks nice. This is the brands that you should buy: Bosch, Brown, Tefal, Mykolaivska. This things Philips. Yeah, I found Philips also looks so beautiful. This is honestly, they are professionals in every. I mean, I tried them in many things. They are nice, but don't go around buy for me Homer, or I don't know, buy for me some non-brand that she will not work with. You will. Guys, there's company, it's called Homer, Hommer. What a sucks. I bought like this, it stay with me 1 month. I didn't try it. I did one time orange juice and don't know what I did else, it doesn't work. I go back to shop, he say for me, what guarantee for this? There is no guarantee. This company even doesn't have guarantee for herself. So what I want to tell you that if you jump right. This is what you have to do. Always buy something famous brand. Don't buy anything and be happy. Just you bought, and after 2 months you're gonna buy. And by the way, even let's say it will not screw up with you. Let's say that you bought Homer or I don't know what is this unknown brands. They are all. let's say stay with you. Trust me, the performance, I mean, how it will do with you, impossible is gonna be like nice brand like Tefal or Brown or Bosch or like this. It will not twist good. It will not work well. It will never gonna work as like professional something. I mean, this famous companies. This is my advice to you, and the choice is up to you. Tell me what you think about this. What you think about this price? It's completely cheap. You got me? What do you think about this brand? Would you like to buy it or no? And tell me, am I right about this point that you should not buy any brand? Do you agree with me about this? Honestly, I see it's the right thing. You should buy famous brand. And tell me what you think about this, or buy anything, and I'm just saying any bullshit, you know. So guys, we'll see you again on another video with Hatem for Objection. Please subscribe and put thumbs up, and tell me your opinion about what you think about this. And we'll see you again in another video with Hatem for Objection. Peace and love for everyone.